Today, we're diving into the world of adventure and performance with the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Motorhome. A marvel of engineering and innovation, this off-road beast redefines what it means to travel in luxury. Let's explore what makes it one of the most impressive overlanding vehicles ever built. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a bold and functional interior that blends rugged practicality with refined comfort. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, soft-touch materials, and ambient LED lighting. The living area includes a retractable smart TV, surround sound speakers, and panoramic skylights that flood the interior with natural light. The kitchenette is fully equipped with a dual-burner induction stove, a compact refrigerator, and a microwave oven. There's even a purified water system for off-grid living. The rear suite features a queen-size bed with climate control, while the wet bath includes a rainfall shower and heated flooring for added comfort on your journeys. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Motorhome is built to conquer any terrain. With its aggressive stance and reinforced off-road frame, it's designed for serious adventure seekers. The bold front grille, LED light bar, and carbon fiber body panels enhance both looks and performance. The 6x6 drivetrain ensures unmatched traction on sand, mud, or snow, while the race suspension provides incredible ground clearance. The exterior matte paint is scratch-resistant and easy to maintain, perfect for outdoor expeditions. The side-mounted awning extends into a shaded outdoor lounge, and the rear utility rack carries spare tires and gear. Every inch of the exterior reflects Toyota's off-road heritage and engineering precision, making it a true standout on and off the road. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 is a powerhouse on wheels. Under the hood, it packs a 4.5-liter twin-turbo diesel engine that produces an impressive 500 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. The triple-axle drive system, combined with adaptive A suspension, ensures stability and smooth handling across all terrains. It's equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission and an intelligent torque distribution system from Maximum Control. Whether you're climbing steep trails or cruising at highway speeds, the Sprinter 6x6 delivers flawless performance. It also includes advanced off-road assist features, hill descent control, and multiple terrain modes. This is not just a motorhome, it's a fortress on wheels designed for those who crave freedom and adventure. Now finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Motorhome is a high-end off-road luxury vehicle, and its price reflects that. Starting at around $750,000, it sits at the top of Toyota's adventure lineup. The cost includes its custom-built chassis, top-tier interior materials, and state-of-the-art off-grid technology. It's built for travelers who demand capability, comfort, and exclusivity in equal measure. While it's not for the average buyer, it's perfect for those seeking the ultimate off-road luxury experience. Investing in this 6x6 motorhome isn't just about owning a vehicle, it's about embracing a lifestyle of exploration and independence. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 motorhome is a remarkable fusion of power, durability, and high-end comfort. It offers a level of versatility and rugged elegance that few vehicles can match. Whether you're heading deep into the wilderness or simply want a mobile base of operations that turns heads wherever it goes, the Sprinter 6x6 delivers in every way. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.